plants exhibit diverse life cycles, exploring their alternation of generations, reproduction, and adaptive strategies, from algae to flowering plants like angiosperms and gymnosperms. Pollination involves pollen dispersal, landing on the stigma, tube growth through style, and entry into the ovule, aiding fertilization in flowering plants. Double fertilization forms a zygote and a triploid endosperm, ensuring nourishment and development of the embryo in flowering plants. Fertilized ovules become seeds while ovaries transform into fruits, embryos and endosperms grow harmoniously. Angiosperms' life cycle showcases pollination, double fertilization, and fruit formation, emphasizing flowering plants' reproductive uniqueness. Plants alternate between haploid, gametophyte, and diploid, sporophyte phases, producing gametes or spores through mitosis and meiosis. The plant life cycle alternates between gamete-producing haploid gametophytes and spore-producing diploid sporophytes. Haplontic plants rely on dominant, photosynthetic gametophytes, evolving from zygotes via meiosis into new spores. Examples include algae like volvox, Spirogyra, and Chlamydomonas, demonstrating single-celled zygotes and free-living gametophytes. In diplontic cycles, diploid sporophytes dominate, supported by reduced gametophytes producing gametes via meiosis. Examples include angiosperms, gymnosperms like conifers, and algae like fucus with varying complexities. This intermediate life cycle features alternating multicellular haploid gametophytes and diploid sporophyte stages. Here, dominant gametophytes permit partially dependent, short-lived sporophytes, reflecting their evolutionary transition. Diploid vascular sporophytes dominate, producing independent gametophytes which grow in moist environments. Algae exhibit diverse cycles, haplontic, dominant, diplontic, example fucus, or haplodiplontic, example ectocarpus, kelps. The plant kingdom spans algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms, showcasing evolutionary advancements. Algae vary by pigment, example chlorophyll, and stored food types such as starch, laminarin, or Floridian starch. Algae reproduce vegetatively, fragmentation, asexually, spores, or sexually, isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy. Bryophytes depend on water for reproduction, possess thallus-like bodies, and include mosses and liverworts. Pteridophytes feature vascular sporophytes with roots, stems, leaves, and gametophytes thriving in moist conditions.